You're going to learn small ya, you, yo in this lesson. We sometimes use two letters together to pronounce one sound. That's the case of using small ya, you, yo. A small letter comes after a letter, and it comes always right next to the first letter when you write. If you write in vertical writing, the position will be here. If you write in horizontal writing, it will be here. And how do you sound when you see the letter with small ya, you, yo? So you can only use the small letter ya, you, or yo after the letter that is made with a consonant and a vowel, I. And then the consonant of the first letter remains, but the vowel will be dropped. Then put the sound of the small letter. Let's have a look at the example. This is a letter ki plus small ya. The consonant of the first letter is k, but the vowel I will be dropped. Then put ya after that. The sound is going to be kya. Another example. This is a letter G plus small u. The consonant of the first letter is J, but the vowel I will be dropped. Then put U after that. It will be Ju. Let's see all the letters with small ya, you, or yo. It will show up one by one, so please pronounce if you understand. So let's start first one. What is this? Kya. Next. Q. Next. Kyo. Next. Ya. Next. You. Next. Yo. Next. Sha. Next. Shu. Next. Sho. Next. Ja. Next. Ju. Next. Jo. Next. Cha. Next. Chu. Next. Cho. Next. Ja. Next. Ju. Next. Jo. Next. Nya. Next. New. Next. Nyo. Next. Hya. Next. Hyu. Next. Hyo. Next. Bya. Next. Byu. Next. Byo. Next. Pya. Next. Pyu. Next. Pyo. Next. Mya. Next. Myu. Next. Myo. Next. Rya. Next. Ryu. Next. Ryo. That's all. We're done. So you've learned how to pronounce the small letters ya, yu, and yo. You will learn about small letter su in the next lesson. See you in the next lesson.